God said He will push down the proud and He will lift up the humble. Very important for people to be united, to stay patient, and to love one another. Some people fight to win the battles, but I'm fighting to win the war. I know my soldiers very well. I love them. They know I love them. I know they love me. I watch their back. They watch my back. That's it. In the battlefield, 100%. Well, I'm not afraid of these enemies, even though they're supported by China and Russia. But I know we're fighting the righteous war for our people. We trust in the Lord, and even though we are not many in number, but we know we're gonna win. God has promised us, just like God has promised the Israelite people. One day we're gonna go back to our promised land without evil. God too late.